This is a video on all the subtraction strategies we've used in our class. We're going to start with the subtraction problem. 86 minus 29. The first thing we learned is base 10 shorthand. If you like the strategy base 10 shorthand, then watch this part. If not, skip ahead to the sections of the strategy you like. With base 10 shorthand, we draw 86 with base 10 blocks. This is a long, it represents 10 ones. This is a cube, it represents 1. So we will draw 8 tens and 6 ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Now I will erase 29. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I can't erase anymore, so I need to trade this for 10 ones. 27, 28, 29. Now I count how many tens and ones I have left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. My answer is 57. Next, we're going to try one more time. 38 minus 29. 10, 20, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll need to take away 9 ones and 2 tens. I don't have 9 ones, I only have 8. So I'll trade first this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Trade 1 10 for 10 ones. Now I can take away 29. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 ones left over. Notice how I didn't take away 2 tens and 9 ones at the same order. It doesn't matter if you take away 2 tens first or your 9 ones. What matters is that you trade 1 10 for 10 ones so that you can take away 9 from 8. That was base 10 shorthand. Now, we're going to transfer that skill into trading first, or some of us call it borrowing. Let's do 78 minus 39. I'm going to stack the numbers and think to myself, I have 7 tens, I have 8 ones. I cannot take away 9 from 8, so I need to borrow. If I borrow 1 10, I now have 6 tens. And I'm going to move it to the ones column. 8 ones plus 10 ones is 18. Now I subtract. 18 minus 9 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. Answer, 39. Let's try another borrowing. This time, we'll do 40 minus 25. With borrowing, we need to stack them. 40 minus 25. Then I think to myself, If I drew 0 cubes or dots, could I take away 5 of them? The answer is no. So I have to borrow some. I'm going to borrow a 10 and move it here. If I had 4 10s and take away 1 10, now I have 3 10s. If I had 0 1 and add 10, now I have 10 ones. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. My answer is 15. That was borrowing or trading. The next strategy we'll use is an open number line. Let's take 32 minus 21. On an open number line, we draw a number line with the small number at the beginning and the big number at the end. We're going to make a jump by tens until we can't count by tens anymore. 21, 31, 41 would be too high, so I'm only going to count to 31. Now I'm going to count by ones. 31, 32. That's my answer. Looks like my 32 is all the way down here now. One jump to 32. 10 plus 1 is 11. My answer is 11. Let's do another one. We're going to do 63 minus 28. We're going to make an open number line. Draw my smallest number at the beginning, my big number at the end. I'm going to count by tens until I would go too far. 28, 38, 48, 58, 68 would be too far. So I'm going to stop at 58. 10, 20, 30. You can do it like this, or you can do one big jump with a 30. We did that in class too. Now I'm going to count by ones. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. How many ones hops did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 one hops. 10, 20, 30, 5. Answers 35. This skill is very similar to what we do with our number line or our hundreds chart. So now I'm going to do 63 minus 28 using our hundreds chart. Keep it up here so you can see. First, I'm going to point to the 28, and I'm going to count down by tens, but when I go over, I'm going to count by ones. If I go down, I'm going to count by tens, 10, 20, 30, and if I go over, I'll count by ones, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start at 28, and we're going to go to 63. Ready? 28, and we got 10, 20, 30. That would be too much. Let's go back to 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I end at 63. My answer is 35. This was the hundreds chart method. Let's do another hundreds chart method. Let's take 64 minus 29. Let's use our hundreds chart. We're going to start at 29 and we're going to go to 64. Ready? 10, 20, 30. That would be too much. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I end at 35 when I get to my big number. Answer's 35. Please choose whatever method you like the best. Back up the video and watch that part again. That's the one you should be doing on your homework. whichever strategy is easiest for you.